everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here. I'm coming to you for our Monday meal. I got my hair cut. Doesn't it look nice? Anyway, I did run away from the groomer. My mom had to keep putting me back in her hands. I don't really like getting my hair cut, but I was very hot, so it was for the best, my mom tells me. Anyway, I finally got it done, and I'm good now. So, you'll see me in this video. This one is another one we got from Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen on YouTube, and it is a sausage egg breakfast casserole. And my mom is allergic to eggs, so she used Just Egg, which is a vegan egg replacement, and it acts very similar to a real egg. So she used that, and it worked great in this recipe, and everybody loved it. So you'll have to watch and see the adjustments she made, but she'll put the link to Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen's video original recipe down below so you can see that in case you don't have any allergies. But this was really simple and really delicious, so we ended up having breakfast for dinner. So just wanted to show you a wonderful breakfast casserole from Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen for our Monday meal. And you'll get to see me, like I said, in the video as well. And I actually got to taste some of it. Yay! Alright, talk to you next week. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone, as Yoda just said, we are making a recipe from our friend on YouTube, Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen. She made a sausage and egg casserole for dinner one night, or actually she probably made it for breakfast for them, but I'm gonna make breakfast for dinner. So this is going to be based off her recipe, and I'm gonna put the link below to her recipe on YouTube. But here's what we did. She used Jimmy Dean pre-cooked sausage. I used Applegate Naturals chicken and apple breakfast sausage patties. Just used the whole box, cooked them in the microwave because they're pre-cooked, and then I broke them up into pieces and layered the bottom of a 9x13 dish that I have sprayed with olive oil cooking spray. So that's what's on the bottom here. And then in this bowl here is the rest of the ingredients. So we have egg. So since I'm allergic to egg, this is Just Egg. It's made from plants. As you can see there, it's vegan egg replacement. So I put 10 eggs in there. She said you could choose between 7 to 10. So for Just Egg, it's 3 tablespoons per 1 egg. So I did 10 eggs with Just, so it's 30 tablespoons. And then she said ground mustard always makes it like a custardy-like taste. That her mom always used to do that, and her grandma. So it's about a half a teaspoon of ground mustard that I shook into this mixture, and then sea salt and black pepper to taste. So I think I did like half a teaspoon of black pepper and maybe like a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of sea salt. And then you do a cup and a half of either half and half or full cream. I had half and half that I wanted to finish up in this box here, and it was just enough. So it was a cup and a half of this Silk dairy-free. It's made from oat milk and coconut milk. So that is what is in this mixture, and then we're going to take this and pour it into our bowl here, or our 9x13 baking dish. Ooh. Ah. Yeah, just pour it in. I'm about to lose my whisk, so I'm trying to be careful. Doing it one-handed. And this is what hers look like too, except her eggs are a little bit more yellow. Mine were yellow, but then when I added in that half and half, that kind of made them a little whiter. All right, that's pretty good. So then you want to take a spoon, and once you've poured that all in there, stir it up. So stir up the sausage and the egg mixture. I love Mama Ray Ray's recipes. They're just so easy. And usually they're one pot or one pan or cast iron skillet. That's what I appreciate about her. All right. So we've got it stirred up. Now what she did was take a full bag of cheese. She used cheddar. I am using plant-based non-dairy cheddar from Kroger. and putting it all across the top here. That is the goal. Spread it out. Ooh. Oh. I don't know why I'm doing that. It entertains me. I'll have to give some of this to Yoda. He likes cheese. Even though this is not real cheese, he thinks it is because it looks like cheese. So, what does he know? Oh, he heard cheese and he heard his name. He's coming. I hear the pitter-patter of little Yoda paws. Yoda, you want some cheese? You want some cheese? Mama, we're making one of Mama Ray Ray's recipes. And she said I should give you some stuff. So did Chef Pam. So we're gonna have to give you something, all right? Here, say hello to the people. You want some cheese? Yeah, some cheese. Ooh, oh, hold on, a little close to Yoda's head. Yoda needs a grooming, but his groomer had to have surgery, and she can't groom him until Saturday at the earliest. So he's ready for a grooming. All right, you stick to that, Yoda. This is ready to go in the oven. It's a 375-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes, and hers actually went 45 minutes. So somewhere in that range. We'll see how long this one takes. All right, everybody, it's been 45 minutes, and our casserole is done. Ready to eat. Nummy, nummy. Yay. It looks and smells delicious. Thanks, Mama Ray Ray.